The Ultrasonic Humidifier BONECO U7145 provides humidification of the air in the room and is especially distinguished by the following features: a powerful and visible humidification, a variable output control, an integrated hygrostat, the automatic shutoff when the water level is too low. The water is transformed into a microfine mist by means of high-frequency vibration and released into the air of the room. This kind of humidification is extremely quiet and yet very efficient. Maintaining the optimal water quality is ensured by the newly developed ionic silver stick. Place the unit in an elevated position, for example on a table or a dresser. The operation is extremely easy. By turning the lower switch, the appliance is switched on or off and the humidity output can be regulated at the same time. By turning the hygrostat switch, you can set the desired relative humidity, whereby the vertical position represents a relative humidity of about 50%. The U7145 turns off automatically when the desired relative humidity is reached. If the relative humidity falls below the desired level, the unit automatically resumes operation. The mist nozzle can be turned to any desired direction. When the water level indicator lights up red, the U7145 must be refilled with water. Depending on the water hardness, the demineralization cartridge must be replaced every 2 to 3 months. For that, the cartridge can be either comfortably replaced by a new one or eco-friendly be refilled. The refill package includes everything for 3 refillings. Place the supplied styrofoam piece in the middle opening of the demineralization cartridge. Pour the contents of 1 refill bag into the cup, which is included in the package. Fill the granules this way cleanly into the cartridge. Now remove the cup and the styrofoam piece and close the cover. In both versions, the cartridge must be soaked in clean water for 24 hours. The ionic silver stick must be replaced once every season. The cleaning is easy. Turn the unit off, disconnect the power plug and remove the ionic silver stick. To clean the unit, we recommend to exclusively use calc-off, which is especially composed for air humidifiers. Mix the decalcifying agent calc-off with clean and hot water. 1 pack per 1 liter. Remove the nozzle and the demineralization cartridge from the water tank. The water tank can also very efficiently be cleaned with calc-off. Fill the base also with the calc-off mixture and let it take effect for at least 1 hour. The base and the ultrasonic membrane can be cleaned using the included cleaning brush. Rinse the calc-off out carefully with a lot of water. For cleaning the surface, a microfiber cloth is most suitable. The cleaning is completed, fast and easy. After reassembly, the U7145 can be refilled with water.